Your first step is to build a volcano. You're going to remove the covering from the fizzing tablet, the pink ball, and place the tablet inside of the volcano front.
Tablet.
So you're going to place the tablet inside of the volcano.
Inside. It smells good.
It smells good? It says snap the volcano, put the back on the volcano to keep the fizzing tablet in place.
Okay.
Take 2 of the soft sides of the adhesive latch and hook dots and adhere them to the rough side of the latch and hook dots.
Put them here?
I think that we stick them to like the bottom so that it could
the bottom here?
in the bag so it could stay when you put it into the aquarium. It says, place the volcano in the center of the aquarium. First, before we place the volcano there, let's take the paper insert D outside of the back of the aquarium so the image is visible from the front side. Now you have a fun underwater background in the aquarium. Fill the aquarium approximately 3/4 of the way with room temperature water. Get some more water, more water, more water.
Guys, this is so cool. Oh, I can see why I wanted a background. It looks cool in camera. You're welcome, Pop.
I love it.
So guys, it's good.
And the bag
was cool while it lasted, but we're gonna pour some of the water out.
And the instructions said if you want to do it again, you just need to use an antacid in place of the fizzing tablet. So like if you want to do it again, use an antacid.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. We just did the underwater discovery volcano. To see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you think.
Bye, GT.
We out.
Out.